Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create Salesforce leads directly from Gmail quickly and easily. This integration helps you capture new opportunities without leaving your inbox. First, open your Gmail account and make sure you're logged in. On the right-hand panel, click the plus button to browse available add-ons. Next, type Salesforce Connector in the search bar and install it. This tool links Gmail with Salesforce so you can manage leads directly from your email. After that, once installed, you'll see a Salesforce icon in the right panel. Click it and log in using your Salesforce credentials to establish the connection. Now, open any email. The Salesforce panel will scan for matching records based on the sender's email. If no match is found, you'll see an option to create a new lead. Click Lead, and the connector will autofill details like name and email from the message. Review the information, make any edits if needed, and click Submit. To complete, confirm the lead has been added to Salesforce. You've now captured a new contact without switching platforms. And that's it. You've just created a Salesforce lead from Gmail using the connector. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.